The biggest mistake new car owners make? They wait until it's too late. Let me show you why paint protection film is the only way to keep your car looking flawless from day one. Paint protection film is a self-healing film applied to the vehicle's exterior to protect its paint from damage. The film is made from several different protective layers and shields your car from road debris, rock chips, scratches, and even me. Here at Luminous Auto Salon, you can choose between colored, matte, or clear PPF. With colored paint protection film, you can still alter your vehicle's appearance while protecting its original paint. If you choose colored PPF, you can choose from over 100 different colors to customize your vehicle and select the finish that range from glossy to matte. The film is very challenging to install and requires expert precision. It won't look good if your installer doesn't wrap the edges or they don't have experience working on your vehicle type. The best part is the film can last up to 10 years when installed by a certified installer. Luminous Auto Salon has been recognized for our customer service, and we have a full staff of certified installers. With a combined team experience of over 30 years, Luminous Auto Salon has you covered.
Call us today to protect your vehicle.